family, and Tara and James.
Hi Co-Fam, this is Mary. Today I show you how to cook a simple Thai steamed fish. It's very easy and very simple. This is the fish I using. This is the fish Seabass or the Siakap fish. Need to clean properly the fish inside and out. You see inside is very clean. And then cut the side one, both sides. More easy to cook or more easy to absorb or the ingredients. This is the lemongrass. Just press it like this and put inside the fish to add more flavor to the fish and to take out some of the smell. Now the fish is ready to steam. And this is the chili we need. We cut it like this. We need 5 pieces of the red chilies. You need more spicy, and then you add more chilies. Next is the lime. This is the casturi. I using 10 pieces of casturi. We need the juice only. This is the parsley. We cut small pieces also like this. All the ingredients must cut it fine. This is what we need for the Thai steamed fish. This is the fish I using, the Seabass or the Ikan Siakap. The lemongrass on the stomach there. And this is the lemon juice. This is the sugar, the minced garlic, the cut chilies and the parsley, and of course the 1 cup of chicken broths, the fish sauce. Now fish is ready to put in the steamer. First thing we do is to steam the fish. So it's ready to put inside the steamer and cook for 10 minutes only with high heat. And need to cover it properly. This is the chicken broth. We make it hot and we add the 2 spoons of sugar. This is to balance the taste of the sweet and the sour. And then keep stirring, and after that we add the fish sauce, 1 spoon of fish sauce. After putting your fish sauce, you off the fire. And then add the garlic. Need to off the fire before you add the garlic. So we don't want the garlic to cook. Garlic maintain the texture. Then we add the chili. This is the fish. After 10 minutes, it's already done cooking. Excess water from the steamer or from the fish must throw it away. After you off the fire, you can add everything already, the ingredients like the lime, the parsley. After you add all the ingredients, you mix properly and it's ready to put on top the fish. This cooking is very nice to eat, and of course you just eat like this only without rice also can. And this is very healthy. At home, we like to eat this Thai steamed fish. Everybody love to eat. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for everyone. If you want to know more details about my cooking, just comment below. If you want to try my cooking, guys, don't forget to ask anything about this cooking, and I give you some of my tips.